How to permanently delete files and folder. Option 1. After we deleted the files, we will open the recycle bin. In order to delete the files, we will choose Empty Recycle Bin. Once you empty your recycle bin, the content is gone forever. Option 2. Find the recycle bin icon in desktop, right-click, and select Empty Recycle Bin. Option 3. We can also use shortcut keys. Shift Delete. Shift Delete will delete the selected files from the PC without moving it into the recycle bin. Shift Delete means the data will be erased permanently from the computer.
QTV, QuickTime View.